Hello, welcome to this online platform. This is Sharp Sharp Tuition Center, a place where dreams take a flight. So, at the end of our lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember also to share this video and give it a like. And in the comment section, drop your views, friends, so that we can continue enjoying these videos that we upload from Sharp Sharp Tuition Center. Okay, so this is mathematics paper 1 and we have two interesting questions. The first question says solve the equation, open brackets, 4 minus p close raised to the power 2 is equal to 169, and the second question says factorize completely, 36x raised to the power 2 minus 121. Friends, when you start answering questions like this in an exam, you are even dancing, you even know that you have a 2, it's a quenu already seeing questions like this. So there's no need of you stressing as long as you have attended tuitions from sharp, your minds will be sharp. There's no need of you start worrying. No, questions like this, your minds are already sharp. So let's start with the first question. So we are going to write the solution here. Let us write the solution so that I show you how sharp your minds will be as you continue doing tuitions with sharp. So we are going to copy this expression, this equation exactly the way it is. So you open the brackets, so you have 4 minus p raised to the power 2 is equal to 169. Remember, this is paper 1. So if you have it in mind that you carry the calculator, forget about that, my friend. Forget about carrying the calculator in an exam. No one is going to allow you to carry the calculator. And be mindful of the time. So most of people, they fail an exam not because they don't know, but because of how they are using the time. So utilize these videos that you're uploading and subscribe so that as we upload any video, you are updated. Okay, so what you are going to do here, we are going to introduce the square root here. So we are going to introduce the square root both sides. Also here, we are going to introduce the square root. Now, when you introduce the square root here, it's going to be positive or negative. So the possible answers that we are expecting from this p, when we are finding the value of this p, it's either this p is going to have the value of the number that's going to be positive, or this p is going to have the number that's going to be negative. So from here, this root, square root, and these two will go, and you remain with 4 minus p is equal to the root of 169. Don't forget positive or negative. As simple as that. So now we want to find the square root of 169. Remember, like I said, this is mathematics paper 1, so there is no need of you carrying a calculator in an exam. No one is going to allow you to carry a calculator. So from here, we are going to have 4 minus p is equal to positive or negative. What is the square root of 169? It is 13. Okay, so we are going to pick 1, which is 4 minus p is equal to, so the first value is going to be positive 13, or 4 minus p is equal to, the other value is going to be negative 13. You see how simple things are when you register with sharp. This is how you get 2 marks in an exam, as simple as that. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, colleagues, and please register with sharp Tuition Center. It is a place where dreams take a flight. The only tuition center where you can get 6 points. Huh? Yeah, very true. So from here, now we'll start with this one. Let us scrutinize this one. So we have 4 minus p is equal to 13. So negative p, we want to make p the subject of the formula, is equal to 13 minus 4. So this, let me just write 4 properly. Very good. Very good. We need to write it very neat. Okay, so this look at this 4. this 4 crosses the equal sign. So when 4 crosses the equal sign, this is positive, so it's going to be negative. So that's where the negative is coming from. So we are going to say 13 minus, what is 13 minus 4? So 13 minus 4, it gives us 9. So negative p is equal to 9. So over negative 1 over negative 1. So negative and negative goes, then p is equal to negative divided by positive, it is negative, then 1 divided by 9, it is 9. So p is equal to negative 9. We are done with the first question. Okay, so we proceed to this other one. So we have 4 minus p is equal to, let me just make a line here. Okay, at least. Okay, so 4 minus p is equal to negative 13. We are going to do as usual. We make p the subject of the formula, so that will be negative p is equal to negative 13 minus 4. So negative p is equal to negative 17. So negative 13 minus 4, it is negative 13. Okay, so we proceed there. So over negative 1 as well as here over negative 1. So negative and negative goes. So p is equal to negative divided by negative, it is positive. 1 to 17, that is 17. Therefore the value of p, we can use this part. So the value of p is equal to negative 9, or p is equal to 17. So these are the two possible answers that we get from our equation. It is as simple as this, colleagues. So you have 2 marks. You just finding this, writing like this in an exam, step by step, the way sharp sharp was written, step by step, you have 2 marks. So are you a GCE candidate struggling with mathematics? This is the only effective and powerful online platform that Sharp Sharp is extending a warm welcome to you all, GCE candidates as well as grade 12s, form 1, form 2, grade 10, grade 11. So you are all welcome to this online platform. Let us scrutinize the second question. So factorize completely 36x to the power 2 minus 121. We are going also to write the process here. So let us write the process here. Okay, so we write the process there. So we are going to copy it the way it is. That is 36 x the power 2 minus 121. So they're saying factorize completely. This one we need to scrutinize it to the fullest. We hammer it until, okay, until. So here, look at this. This 36 is a difference of the two squares, perfect square. So that is a number that you can multiply itself to give you 36. That is 6 squared x squared minus, I have changed nothing here, 6 times 6, that is 36, x squared minus. So we are going to do the same here. This 121 is a perfect number, so a number that you can multiply by itself to give you 121, and that is 11. So when you say 11 times 11 will give you 121. So we proceed here. Okay, so we are going to have now look at this, what we have here. When I take you back to grade 10 work, any expression in this form, let's say a squared plus b squared, any expression in this form can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So this is the same concept that we are going to use here. So here we are going to have open brackets 6x minus 11, we close, and 6x plus 11, we close. It is as simple as these, colleagues. When you reach at this stage, even Jesus Christ, you're able to see him now coming down from the heaven to come and congratulate you for solving, hammering, scrutinizing questions like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said from the beginning, don't forget to scrutinize this. Chitani chabe subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a like, and mu inbox muja lembani chabe ka comment kali konse chikondweleko nice mwaona mwakondwela. Us, we also want to feel kacha chimvereko chacha abantu batamba bachita ku appreciate. So don't forget to give it a comment. I'll be checking, and I want to ensure that you people mwachitako chabe subscribe, comment. Otherwise, thank you so much. Looking forward to have you in our next video.